Hello everyone, welcome another video about XAF Blazor and Semantic Kernel. So let's see it in action. This is another of those experiments that I think that it will be really neat to add to our apps. And I think Hocha, this should have been one of the first ones we show because we went directly to show a plugin and we should have shown the first thing, just a kernel function. So let's see
Yes,
it.
I think we started for the most complicated part. And well, this will have been the first. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so let's do car and let's open a new one. And right here we have a plate, the make, the model, and the year. So we're gonna right here do smart paste. So we're gonna copy a history. And we're gonna say, hey, David has driving his 2015 Ford Mustang, so on, so on, so on, with a plate for SPD, so on. And then if we click OK, it will be smart enough to know which to put each field that we need. So of course, we can even avoid showing the pop-up and go directly to this, but I think that for like doing the video and so it's a good visual of you see what is the text that we're pasting. So if we see now the implementation, we can see we have here a smart page that we're going to show a pop-up so we can put the history and so on. But after that, it's basically as we have shown in other videos, creating the kernel, adding the auto invoke kernel function because we're going to need to call the kernel function. And this is our kernel function here that we're going to paste the properties that we need. And if you see here, we are doing some plugin, but this plugin is just basically we are passing. This is the method that we need to execute. That's basically it. The LLM is smart enough. These are the parameters for the pop-up. It's smart enough to get that context, get that text, find the relevant information, and then it's up to us with regular XAF code to fill our business logic. That's basically it, Jose. What do you think?
Yeah, to be honest, it looks like magic, but the code is really simple. Semantic kernel abstract a lot of complicated things to do. And one of the things that I like the most about semantic kernel in general is that it's an abstraction to the regular API calls that people do usually. I remember that we met with one of our customers one of these days, and he was showing HTTP client and other things. So with semantic kernel, you just pass the key, the model, and there you go.
And do tests with different models. I remember
Yeah.
one of our students saying, hey, Olama 3 point something is not that smart as GPT-4 mini, and so on, so on. So do your test and see what works better for you. See if cloud works better for you. See if another one. So that's up to you. Find your recipe. All right, guys, that will be it for this video. See you in the next one.